carbon fiber as well. That thing's not towing anything, but it is kicking some butt out there. Clutch kicking it out sideways, 1100 horsepower. The best drift truck. He's winning the Truckana diesel Truckana right now because we saw Ballistic BJ Baldwin, a Baja racer from the States. We saw him last weekend tearing it up in Las Vegas with Vaughn Gittin Jr. and Ken Block. Now this is some diesel truck action.